How to get silky smooth hair at home in one day. White vinegar for hair growth. The name is obvious, the crowning glory. Women have many ways to doll themselves up to look their absolute best, and beautiful hair is one of those enhancements. Tell me a man or woman who doesn't like beautiful hair on a woman or a man, and I will show you somebody who is blind. Unsurprisingly, there are tons of hair products available in the market today, as well as hair treatments that anybody can get. However, some contain harmful chemicals that do more harm than good. What if I tell you that there are some natural home remedy alternatives out there that can make any hair smooth and silky, and will cost you little or nothing? The good thing is, white vinegar is one of those home remedies for hair that can keep your hair looking silky, smooth, and healthy. Centuries ago, it was discovered that white vinegar could make your hair appear silky, smooth, and shiny. Here are the procedures. 1. Combine 1 part vinegar with 1 part clean water. It is not recommended to apply pure vinegar to your hair because it is too strong and may cause damage. With this, it is recommended to dilute the vinegar with water. For a single rinse, you need about 1/4 cup of vinegar and 1/4 cup of clean water. Note: if you do not have white vinegar, you can also use apple cider vinegar. 2. Shampoo your hair thoroughly. Using your regular shampoo, wash your hair as normal. You should only use cool or lukewarm water because hot water can damage your hair and make it look dull and frizzy. 3. Do not use conditioner if you are planning to use the vinegar-water solution as a rinse. You don't have to use hair conditioner if you are using the vinegar rinse because the solution is enough to keep your hair shiny and smooth. 4. Gradually pour the vinegar rinse on your hair. Slowly pour the vinegar on your head and massage from your scalp down to the tips of your hair. 5. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow the vinegar rinse to immerse in your hair by leaving it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. While waiting, you can continue washing your body and completing your whole shower routine. 6. Rinse off the vinegar-water solution with the use of cool water. After 5 to 10 minutes, wash the vinegar-water solution off your hair using clean water. Don't worry that your hair will smell like vinegar, because the odor will vanish when your hair completely dries. 7. Do this procedure once or twice a week only. Regardless of how good the outcome is, you should limit this procedure to once or twice a week because your hair will become dry if you do this too often. Final thoughts. Using this vinegar rinse is sometimes even more effective and safer to use compared to other commercial products. The reason behind this is that some hair products in the market contain harsh chemicals that can damage the hair and make it dry. So, if you want an affordable and effective remedy that will bring the natural shine and smoothness of your hair, simply follow the procedure shown before. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.